Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Okay, you're welcome to Dr. Vivian Mathematics Tutorial Live Challenge. Okay, so I want you to come and beat me in this live challenge. All right, watch to the end. The replay is always available at any time. Okay, so we are starting with our first question, question number 1. And question number 1 says 12 divided by 3 bracket 3 plus 1 is equal to what? All right. Solve this question. That is our first question today. Then on this challenge, this is how it works. We'll pick the first 5 persons that answered the question correctly. Not answer the question correctly. The first 5 persons that answered questions first, we'll put down their names. And after a while, we'll solve and then we'll see who got it correctly first. And we'll check the person. Okay? So this is our first question. This is the first question. Okay, so let me solve it. Since nobody is solving, let me solve immediately. Let me solve immediately. Now, this is the first question and I'm solving immediately. Please, thank you for joining. If you can solve it, I'll give you some minutes to solve it. If you can't solve it, thank you for the thumbs up. I appreciate that a lot. Okay, so please kindly solve this. Give you a minute and I solve. Please solve before me so that I'll just cross-check. So thank you for joining. You're welcome. So let me quickly solve this. Now, when you have a question like this, you are going to solve using a board mass. Some places we call it board mass, and in some places we call it PEMDAS. All right, they are the same. They are just the same. B here stands for bracket, O for order, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Now, I want you to know that when applying, you solve bracket first, order second, then division and multiplication, and on the same level, you apply the one that comes first from left to right. And addition and subtraction on the same level, you apply the one that comes first from left to right. The same thing here. This is parentheses, you solve first, exponent, you solve second. Multiplication and division on the same level, you apply the one that comes first from left to right. The way addition and subtraction are on the same level, you apply the one that comes first from left to right. Okay, so we want to solve 12 divided by 3 bracket 3 plus 1. Okay, now let's solve. The first thing we have here is brackets, parentheses. So yes, PEMDAS. This is PEMDAS. All right, this is the PEMDAS. So first you start with brackets and parentheses. So start from here. So this is equal to, start from here. Please excuse me, drop as swag. Okay, please let me solve. If you have a question, you feel free to ask. If you have, this is a challenge. If you can solve it, you can drop your answers. Drop your answers. That is what we are up to. We have 12. We write everything as it is. Bracket 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. Now, remember, when you have any number like 2 bracket 5, this is 2 times 5. So here's multiplication. Then here is multiplication. Okay. Then we can write it to have 12 divided by 3 times 4. Now we apply, remember, division and multiplication are on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. Here, division came first. We divide first. Okay, we divide first and have 12 divided by 3 will give us 4. 4, we put our multiplication and put our 4. And this is equal to 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So our answer is 16. All right. So if you have any question, feel free to drop your questions. And remember, this is live challenge with Dr. Vivian. Okay. So I've solved the question, the first one, because nobody solved it. So we are solving the second one. And the second one is for you. I mean you, everybody here. The second question is for you, please. All right. So solve this simple question. Let's see. We have 180 divided by 60 minus square root of 100 is equal to what? So please drop this, your answer. The first 5 answers, you list the names of those who answered and we solve. Then they can now see whether they are right or wrong. So I give you some minutes, like 2 minutes to solve. Drop your answers, please. It's for everybody. This life challenge is for everybody. It's not for a particular set of person. It's for you. I mean you that is here watching me. Please feel free to give us thumbs up if you're enjoying the class and share this live class for us, please. If you can, help us share the live class, right? Thank you. So I'm giving you 45 seconds to solve this. After 45 seconds and nobody solves, I will solve. Once it's okay, so remaining 30 seconds and I'll solve. Please solve this question and drop your answer. Please solve the question and drop your answer. This is life challenge with Dr. Vivian, okay? It's live class with Dr. Vivian. You solve, you drop your answer, then I will solve and show you whether you're right or wrong, all right? So let me solve this, okay? Now, when you have something like this, we use board mass, and some people call it PEMDAS. PEMDAS, okay? B stands for brackets, O for order. Division and multiplication, they are on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. Addition and subtraction are on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. Parentheses, exponents, division and multiplication, the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. And addition and subtraction are on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. So here, we start from here because this is what order exponent is. All right, so we have 180 divided by 60, like we have there, minus square root of 100 is 10. Okay, the next thing is division. We divide. 180 divided by 60 is 3 minus 10. And our answer is 3 minus 10. Because you're subtracting the bigger number from a smaller number, you have negative 7. And this is our answer. So thank you for watching this. Okay, so answer is negative 7. Now, please, this is life challenge with Dr. Vivian. I'm supposed to ask question, you answer, then at the end of the day, I'll solve to make sure that your answers are correct, okay? It's not strictly for me. I'm not going to solve everything. You will solve, then I will cross-check by solving it again. All right, so question number 3. On the question number 3, we have given 2x plus 6 is equal to 16. X is equal to what? All right. So you're giving 2x plus 16 equal to x. X is equal to what? Please solve, drop your answer. Solve, drop your answer, please. I'll give you some time to drop your solve and give me answers. If I don't see answers, then I will solve, but I will exercise some patience so that you try. I want you to really try. I'm talking to you that is watching. It's for everybody. It's not for a particular set of persons. I want the first person to answer this question for me. So I'll give a shout out to the first person that will answer question today. All right. I've gotten comments from Skinny, but Skinny is not answering. So I want someone that will answer. I'll give you a cheer. That is how I do it. I appreciate you for solving. All right. Feel free to solve, please. All right. So let me solve. Now, this question is from linear algebra. Now, what is an algebra? An algebra is just a mathematical expression containing variable. Variables are those letters that you use to represent unknown numbers in an equation. Okay, look at this equation. We know 2, we know 6, we know 16, but we don't know x. So we are looking for x. So x is a variable. All right. Then to solve for x, this in a simple mathematical terms, when you're given an equation, what is an equation? An equation is just expression with equality sign in it. So whenever you're given a mathematical expression like this and you have this equality sign, then it's an equation. That is what equation just simply means. Okay. Now, when you're having an equation with a variable and asked to find the variable, you're just asked to make the variable the subject formula. So we have 2x plus 6 equal to 16. Now we'll try to make here to stand on its own, or we call it collection of like terms. We collect like terms. All right, so we have 2x is equal to 16 here. Now we move this plus 6 across the equality sign to become minus 6. Okay, so we have 2x equals to 16 minus 6 is 10. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2 will cancel 2 and have x. 10 over 2 is equal to 5. So our x is equal to 5. And you know you can always check. Substitute this x equal to 5 into this equation, into this part. You have 2 times 5 is 10, 10 plus 6 is 16. So it satisfies the equation. So our answer, x equal to 5, is excellently correct. So feel free to share this live section for us and know that this is mathematics channel, Dr. Vivian. It's for everybody. It's not for particular people. It's for everybody. As you're there, you can solve it and drop your answers. Okay? So we have 4x plus 4x equal to 16. Okay? X is equal to what? All right? So this question is from exponent. This question is from exponential equation. It's not difficult. It's not difficult. It's an easy question. You can solve it. Trust me when I say you can. Just try. I want you to try this question. Solve. Drop your answer. Let me see. All right. I want you to solve. Drop your answer. Let me see. This is from exponential equation. Let me write it. It's from exponential equation. This is an exponential equation. Exponential equation. Okay. So I'll give you some time to solve. If nobody solves, then I'll solve again. We keep moving, but I expect you to solve because thank you, Samuel Mitiku. Thank you, Samuel, for solving. So Samuel solved. Samuel says his answer is, so have Samuel says his answer is 2. So please, I need more answers. Samuel has answered. So Samuel, I'm so happy you're the first person to answer this question in my live class this side. So I'm going to give cheers to whoever that answers first. So Samuel, cheers to Samuel. Thank you for solving this live class. So please, more persons should solve. Let's go. All right. More persons should solve. Let's go, please. So let me quickly solve as we put more questions up. Okay. So we have 4 to the power x plus 4 to the power x equal to 16. All right. Now, the first thing you do, we are going to add these numbers together. This number have the same power. They are the same thing. So we're just going to write that number and indicate that it's in 2 places, equal to 16. So we'll take away these 2 here by dividing both sides by 2. So we'll cancel. We have 4x is equal to 16 divided by 2 will give us 8. Now, this is the first step. Now, the second step is the base are not the same. So we'll try to make it have the same base, okay? Now, we can convert 4 to base 2. We can convert 8 to base 2. So 4 is equal to 2 raised to the power 2. Brackets x we have here is equal to 8 is 2 raised to the power 3. And this is multiple powers. We multiply them. So this is 2 raised to the power 2x equals to 2 raised to the power 3. All right? So from here, we can see that the base are the same. The base are the same. We equate their powers. So we have 2x is equal to 3. Okay? So we go to the side, and we have 2x is equal to 3 from here. Now, the next thing is divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. 2 will cancel 2. We have x. 3 over 2 is 3 over 2, or x is equal to 1 whole number 1 over 2. You know, so the correct answer to this question is x equals to 3 over 2 or x equal to one whole number 1 over 2. So Samuel, your answer is not correct, but I said I was going to appreciate the first person that will drop answer, that you are the first. That's why I have to cheer you for trying. Okay, so we'll go to the next question. So this is our question number 4. So we'll go to question number 5. All right, so please don't just watch and pass. Help us solve. It's for everybody. So question number 5 says, let me just give you something. I don't know. Okay, let's solve this. We have 7 raised to the power. So we are solving question number 7. Okay. So remember, this question is for everybody. Feel free to solve it and drop your answer. So please, we are solving question number 7. Okay. Thank you, mostly sports. You're welcome. So mostly sports is 11. Okay. So more answers, please. More answers. More answers, more answers, more answers. Okay. So let me solve this. We have 4m minus 11 equal to 3. Now the first thing to do is collect like terms. Let the variable go to one side and let the constant go to one side. So we have 4m is equal to, write 33 first. Then when this negative 11 crosses the equality sign, it becomes positive 11. So 4m is equals to 44 plus 11. 33 plus 11 is 44. Divide both sides by 4. 4 divide here, and we have m is equal to 44 divided by 4 is 11. So mostly sports, cheers to mostly sports. You're very correct. Okay. So I appreciate you, mostly sports. Now we go to question number 8. Please help me share the live section and help me give us a thumbs up if you are enjoying the live class. All right. Thank you to those who are already doing that. I appreciate you guys a lot. Okay. So let's solve this question next. Solve this simple quadratic equation. Okay. No, let me not go too far. So solve this out. There's this question I've been asking that people get. Solve this question. Let's just do it. So I'll show you how to do it better. Minus 4 square minus bracket minus 4 all squared is equal to what? So solve this, drop your answer. Solve this, drop your answer. Minus 4 square minus 4 bracket 4 all squared is equal to what? All right. So please solve this. Okay, mostly sports, thank you. Mostly sports says minus 32. Please, I'm waiting for your answers. Drop your answers so that I will just solve. So we'll see who got it correctly. Drop your answers. Drop your answers, please. Give us thumbs up if you're enjoying the live class. Thank you for joining us immediately. I appreciate you guys a lot. Help us share the live section. Drop your answers. Okay? Drop your answers. I'm waiting for answers. So we'll give some time. If nobody answers again, I will just solve so that you see how it is done. Okay, Samuel Mitiku. Thank you, Samuel. So Samuel says, on this live challenge, I just ask questions I can get, but on a normal day when I'm doing my tutorial, I do secondary school mathematics because I go into university mathematics. Only few people, I don't know how many people that may be interested fully, you know. So I just want to go teach class that is in high demand. Let me put it like that. No, we have a lot of high school students. So I teach high school maths. I teach indices, mostly algebra. I teach indices. I teach exponents. I teach linear equation, simultaneous equation, as many as possible. I also teach trigonometry, and sometimes I even do some tricks. You know, sometimes tricks saves time during math class. So I do all that. Okay. So let me solve this. We have minus 4 square minus bracket minus 4 all squared. Okay. Now let me solve it. Here, this place, this is equal to minus bracket 4 multiplied by 4 minus bracket minus 4, okay, multiply itself minus 4. Look at these two things, they are not the same, okay? Why not 10 plus 2 maths, not in live stream, but as video, maybe? Why not 10 plus 2 maths? I don't understand what you mean by 10 plus 2 maths. Can you please explain that better so I understand you? So this is minus 4 multiplied by 4 is 16 minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 will give us plus 4, okay? Plus 16. This is plus 16. So we have minus 16 minus plus is minus 16. And this is equals to minus 32. All right. So cheers to mostly Sports and Samuel. Your answers are excellently correct. Okay. So ask question number 9. Question number 9 says solve x plus y equals to 10 and x minus y equal to 2. X plus y all squared is equal to what? So please solve this, drop your answer. Okay. 11th and 12th grade maths. This means calculus. Okay. All right, maybe I'll just do that. Even if I don't teach it, yes, on live stream, I can do videos. That's not a bad idea. That's okay. I love that. I will do that. Okay. Mostly sports says mostly sports. Okay. 100. All right. More answers, please. More answers. Please, the question is for everybody. As far as your live section, the question is for you. And please help give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying the live class, live challenge. Give me a thumbs up if you're enjoying the live challenge, please. I appreciate that a lot. So this class will last for 1 hour, 30 minutes, and this is 28 minutes. All right. Help us share the live section so that more people join us. I'll just wait for some minutes, let some people solve and drop the answer, then we'll continue. I'm waiting for more answers so that I can solve. I'm waiting for more answers so I can solve. All right, so let me quickly solve. Now, this is why I said in the comments, I said, okay, Samuel. No, I don't live in Edo State, I live in Enugu. Now, this question is very easy. Look at this. I just have to put this question. It's something that you should solve very fast. We are told that x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is 2. And you are asked to solve x plus y square. And you're told that x plus y is 10. It's just simply 10 square. You don't even need to get pen and start solving. 10 square is 100. So mostly sports, you're correct. You don't need to start solving for x, solving for y. No, you have x plus y here is to be 10, and you are asked x plus y square is just 10 square, and that is it. Very simple math. So please, these are the tricks that we talk about in mathematics. All right. So question number 10. So x plus y square, let me write it here. X plus y square is equal to 10 square, and that is equal to 100. That is all. All right. That is all. Just square this and you get your answer. So solve this, please. 7 whole number 1 over 2 times square root of 4 is equal to what? Solve this, drop your answer. Solve, drop your answer. Let's see, please. The math challenge is for everybody. Okay, mostly sports says, mostly sports says 15. Please, more answers. More answers. Give us thumbs up if you're enjoying the live class. It's live math challenge with Dr. Vivian. Give us thumbs up if you're enjoying the live class. Give us thumbs up if you're enjoying the live class, and feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing math challenges. Okay? I'm trying to see if I can fix a particular time for this live section because I have so many things on the desk. I wish I could get a particular time if I'll be doing these live challenges. So please, more answers. Let me quickly solve it so that we can go. Okay, let me solve this. We have, now to solve this is easy. To solve here, you first convert this to improper fraction. On my page, on my channel, you see how to convert from mixed fraction to improper fraction. This is whole 7 whole number 1/2. So it's mixed fraction. To convert it improper fraction, you do 7 times 2. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 all over the denominator, which is 2, times square root of 4 is 2. Okay, so 2 cancel 2 and we have 15. So that is the answer. So cheers to mostly sports. You got it correct again. All right, so go to question number 10. Please, I want everybody to participate. It's for everybody. Everybody, it's for everybody, please. It's for everybody. I need you to participate, okay? Don't feel that it's not for you. It is for you. So solve this. We have 8m is equal to 64. M is equal to what? All right, solve this. 8m is equal to 64. Find m. 8m is equal to 64. So solve for m. Let's see. M is equal to pi. Right? Let me write m is equal to pi. All right. So pi is equal to 22/7, right? So that's the pi you're talking about. I want to be sure of the pi you're referring to. Okay, 3.14. All right, 3.14. Yes, that is 3.14. Samuel says Samuel says m is equal to 2, and this is mostly sports. Mostly sports. Okay, so let me solve this. We have 8m is equals to 64. So this, what the best thing you do here is we try to find a way to put this 64 to be of base of 8. And we know 8 square is equals to 64. So this is 8m. Instead of writing 64, write 8 square. The base are the same, we equate their powers. So m is equal to 2. Mostly sports, this is the solution and this is the best solution. So Samuel got it right. So cheers to you, Samuel. So let's solve the next question. This is question number 11, and this is question number 12. So we are solving question number 12. So mostly sports, please take note of the correction. Thank you for solving. I appreciate that a lot. Okay, so we solve this. We have 5/3m minus 3 over 3m is equal to what? Solve this. All right, this is from linear equation, linear algebra. So solve this, let's see. Solve this, let's see. This is simple. I'm just going to show you simple. I don't want to be asking too difficult questions. The denominators are the same thing, so it's easy to solve. Okay, so mostly sport says 2m over 3. More answers, please. These questions are easy. I just don't want to be asking too difficult questions, so we can do with simple questions so that it's easy for us to understand. So let me solve it. To solve this question is easy. We have 5 over 3m minus 3 over 3m. All right. So the first thing to do, take the LCM. Now the two are the same. The LCM is 3m. 3m divided itself will give us 1. 1 times 5 will give us 5 minus 3m divided itself will give us 1. 1 times 3 will give us 3. And this is equals to 5 minus 3 is 2 over 3m. All right. So the m should be down and not up. Okay. Now, see how simple it is. Whenever you have any fraction and their denominator is the same, apply whether any operation you have here on it. Just do 5 minus 3 and it's 2. 2 all over 3m. That is it. Okay. You just, since the base are the same, we just apply this operation here to the powers, to the numerators. So that is it. Let's solve question number 13. Please participate. When you participate, you now see the best way to solve it. Please make sure you're participating. Don't feel like you cannot solve it. Try. I want you to try. Yes. Minor mistake. Yep. So that should be up and not down. You did well. So let's see. Please participate. Okay? It's important. I just want to be giving simple, tricky math questions. I don't need stress. Okay? So we are let me see. Okay. Solve 8 bracket 3 plus 2 all over 8 is equal to what? Solve this. See question number 13. Very easy. I don't want to be solving difficult questions. Easy questions. Just if you look, you see your answer. 8 bracket 3 plus 2 minus 8 is equal to what? Okay, 5. So mostly sport says 5. Please, others, can you help us participate? Is on Josiah. Thank you. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm sure. So that is nice. I'm happy somebody is here. Thank you, Josiah Zita. You said 5. Please, more answers. Please, it's for everybody. It's not for particular persons. It's for everybody. As far as you're here on the live stream watching this live section, you can participate. It's for everybody. Solve it, drop your answer. And this one is very easy. The answer is just staring at me, and I'm staring at it. Solve it, drop your answer. It's very easy. So let me solve, please. It's easy. You can write me as mostly or just sports. Okay. All right. Good. Thank you. So let me solve it. We have 8 bracket 3 plus 2 all over 8. And you know in board maths, you solve bracket first. Okay. So this is equals to 8 bracket 3 plus 2 is 5 all over 8. All right. 8 will cancel itself and we have 5. So that is the answer. Mostly sports and Josiah Zita got it correctly. So thank you to Joe for calling. All right, so number 14. On the number 14, I'm going to do a drawing. All right, so this is not drawn to scale, but I'm going to give you signs so that you know what we are solving. And here is 35 degree. If here is x, this is x here. So x is equal to what? So tell me what x is equal to. This is the diagram. Solve. Let me know what x is equal to. Remember, like I said, this diagram is not drawn to scale. Okay, it's not drawn to scale, but I've given sign to show you which one stands for what. But let me be more specific. Okay, so mostly have answered, mostly said 75 degree. Please, more answers. More answers. Let me bring it up so you see the question. More answers, please. More answers, more answers, more answers. No, change it to 65, please. Okay, 65 degree. All right, so let me quickly solve it. Now, when you're given this is, I told you, is not drawn to scale, but this sign here is sign of 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. It's a sign that it is 90 degree. I just have to give the sign. And we are giving 90 degree here, we have 35 degree, and we have x, and we're asked to find x. Now remember, angle in a triangle is equal to 180. Okay, so pick every angle here. We have angle 90 there, plus angle 335 plus x, which we are looking for, and is equal to 180. Reason is angles in a, this is triangle, in a triangle, angles in a triangle. So we are going to add these two. 90 plus 35 will give us 125, plus our x is equal to 180. Okay, so we solve for x. X is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree. All right, so our x is equal to 180 minus 25 is equal to 55 degree. So our x is equal to 55 degree. Okay, okay, Samuel, you're right. So mostly sports, you've seen it. 100 minus 100, 85 minus 25 will give us 55. Okay, so the answer is 55 degree. All right, so let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question. The next question is question number 15. Question number 15. Question number 15. The sum of two consecutive numbers is, the sum of two consecutive numbers is 31. Okay, find the numbers. So this one is going to be easy now. The sum of two consecutive numbers is, let me reduce it so that you have seen it. Okay, the sum of two consecutive numbers is 31. Find the numbers. Please participate in this live challenge. I appreciate mostly sports for participating. Samuel Mitiku for participating. Please, you that is watching, participate, and feel free to give us thumbs up if you're enjoying the live class. Please appreciate us by hitting the like button. We appreciate that. All right, so solve this simple question. Okay, mostly says 15 and 16. So more answers. More answers, more answers. More answers, more answers. Please help us share this live section. You can share it to Facebook. You can share it to Facebook groups. You can share to your WhatsApp status. You can share to your YouTube. Help us share this live section, please. We appreciate that a lot. Okay. Help us share to your WhatsApp, Facebook groups, your Facebook timeline. Somebody that may be interested. What is the topic you have done PhD on? Okay, I've done PhD on numerical analysis, numerical methods. Numerical analysis, numerical methods is all under algebra. Okay, they are all part of algebra. So let's go. Now to solve this, they say the sum of two consecutive numbers. Then what is consecutive numbers? Consecutive numbers are numbers following itself immediately. Okay, so consecutive numbers are numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are flowing itself immediately. If you say 1, 3, 7, they are no more consecutive. Their flowing itself is yes, I did these are methods for solving the numerical equations. I did this. These are master's courses. Actually, in PhD level, you just do theories, all those big theories. You have to find, prove, and all that, and study it, know how it works, and all that. That's what is mostly about. We talk about programming, the courses I did, linear programming, and all that. Okay. So these numbers are flowing itself. Let me just solve this. These numbers are flowing itself consecutively. Now I told the sum of two consecutive numbers is 31. You say let the first number, let the first number be x. So if the first number is x and we are told they are flowing itself consecutively, that is they are adding by +1. They are adding by 1. Okay, Samuel says 15 and 16. So they are flowing itself. If the first number is x, then the second number is the second number should be x plus 1. Okay, because that's flowing itself, adding by 1. Now the sum of the number is 31. The first number is x, the second number is x plus 1, and we are told that it is equal to 31. Okay, so that is the equation for the given question. Now we have x plus s will give us 2x. We have plus 1 is equal to 31. Now 2x is equal to, write 31. When this 1 crosses the equality sign, it becomes -1. We have 2x is equal to 31 minus 1 will give us 30. Okay, so divide both sides by 2. This will cancel. We have x is equals to 15. 30 divided by 2 give us 15. So our first number here is x. So our x here is 15. So our first number is 15. Then our second number is x plus 1, and that is 15 plus 1, and that is 16. So the numbers are, therefore, the numbers are 15 and 16. All right, so these are the numbers. So that is the solution to the question. Let's solve the next question. This one is long, but even just looking, you will know 15 plus 16 is 31. So I just wanted to give us something you can fix up just like that. So we solve number 16. So number 16, question number 16 is find the mean of the data set because this is what is the question is like of the data set. We have 10, 8, 12, 10. So find the mean of this data set here. Find the mean of the data set 10, 8, 12, 10. Arithmetic mean, just normal mean. This question is from statistics, okay? Where you're asked to find mean, mode, median. So that is where the kind of mean I'm talking about is called arithmetic mean, okay? So mostly says 7.25. More answers, please. Okay, 7.5. All right, 7.5. More answers, please. 13 persons are here and one person has been answering. 2 persons, Samuel and mostly sports. Please, others, can you help us answer this question? If you know it, give us your answers. Try it. It's for everybody. All right. If you're enjoying this live class, please help us, give us a thumbs up. This class is lasting for 1 hour, 30 minutes, and this is 51 minutes. So it will end in 39 minutes from now. Please participate in this last part of the class. All right. Please participate. Let's solve. I'll just give some minutes so that some other people can try. Then I will solve. So please solve. Let's see. Let me write it out so that you can solve it. I'll put it in already state of being solved. Okay. So Samuel said 20. Okay. So we have 12. We have 10. All right. So let me solve. Now to solve this, the mean of the data set, means simply means average. All right. So mean simply means average. Whenever you're asked to find the mean, you're asked to find the average. And average is just add everything here divided by the number of given data. We have, this is equal to 10 plus 8 plus 12 plus 10 all over. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 all over 4. This is just all we need to do. This is just how simple it is to solve it. So 10 plus 8 is 18. 18 plus 12 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. That is 40 over 10. So answer is 4. You see how simple it is? So answer is 4. Have you seen it? Average. You add everything up, divide by the number of the given data. So we have 10 plus 8 is 18 plus 12 is 30 plus 10 is 40. We count 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4. Sorry, divided by 4, not 10. Divided by 4, and that is 10. So our answer is 10. Okay? Yes, Samuel, our answer is 10. So that is how easy it is. So I'm going to give you another simple question, but this one has to do with somehow reasoning and kind of stuff. So the question is number 17. What is the next number in the sequence? Okay, what's the next number in the sequence? 1, 2, 4, 8, 2, 4, 8. So tell me the next number in this sequence. We have 1, 2, 4, 8. Tell me the next number in the sequence. What is the next number in this given sequence? Sorry, you. What is the next number in the given sequence? One, 2, 4, 8. The next number is what? Okay, I'm glad so many people are answering. Hi, Chibike, you're welcome. Aniwana Junior, you're welcome. So Chibike says 16. Aniwana says Junior 16, and Samuel says 16. Okay, 32. All right, and so on. Okay, that's nice. So more answers, please. More answers, please. I want more answers. More answers. All right, so more answers, please. Let me solve this. And I have a similar question also on another level. So I trust you guys can solve it. More answers. Fine. What do we do here? We are multiplying. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So Chibike, you solved it first correctly. So cheers to Chibike. Cheers to Aniwana Junior and Samuel. Cheers to both of you guys did well. That is what it should look like. All hands should be on deck. It's not a one-man show, it's for all of us. Okay, so this is question number 18. So question number 18 says, let me give you something. Okay, so now there's this math challenge I want to, it's been in existence, but I want to introduce it. So if I show you how it is done, then when I give you question, so that is what you are going to be doing today. It's easy to understand, okay? I'll just do 1 or 2. Maybe next time we'll do more on that. We are given 4, 4, 4 is equals to 4. And we are told that 4, 4, 4 is equals to 12. Then 4, 4, 4 is equal to 20. Okay? Now, I'm going to show you how you do this. So pay attention, please. Pay attention, please. Even if you don't want to solve it, just learn it. Now, I'm giving 4, 4, 4, and it's 6. 4 here. Here is 12. Here is 16. Now, what you're going to do is tell me the operations you put here to get this solution. All right, let me tell you what you can do. You can multiply, okay, add, subtract, square. You can do all this on this, any basic operation on this. All right, so let's start from here. So if we do 4 plus 4 minus 4, 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. So this is correct. If we do 4 times 4 minus 4, okay? So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 4 is 18. You can even do 4 plus 4 plus 4 will still give us 12, all right? So that is it. Now, I want you to tell me what operation should we do here to give you 20, okay? Let's see who can solve it smartly. What operation can we do on 4, 4, 4 to give us 20? It's called critical reasoning. It's reasoning in mathematics. Okay? So you have to reason out, how do we figure this out? How do we get, what operation should I apply on this 4, 4, 4 to give me 20? It's very easy because as I'm looking at it, I'm seeing the answer already. It's very easy. Okay? So please solve, let's do that. Then we'll go back to our, oh wow, Chibike, you're amazing. Chibike, this is nice. Chibike, I gave you all the hints and all the expo. Chibike says 4 times 4 plus 4 is 20. So Chibike is correct. Sorry. 4 times 4 plus 4 is 20. Okay, so you need more. Answer more. There's the other operation you can still apply and you still get something different. Trust me. Okay, Samuel, the same thing. Samuel says 4 times 4 plus 4. Okay, so Samuel is correct. More operations, please. Try something new. Can you try something new? Okay, so Chibike and Samuel got it correctly. Okay. Okay, Chibike and Samuel got it correctly, but let me try something. I want to try something. Let's see whether it will work. All right, don't conclude yet. So I have 4. These ones are very correct. Oh, they are very correct. Chibike and Samuel are amazingly correct. 4 squared plus 4. Yes, that is 4 times 4 plus 4. They are the same thing, 4 squared, because if you say 4 squared, you're reducing the number to 2. We have 3. If you say 4 square, okay, plus 4. So you're just working with only 2 numbers and no more 3. So it will be 4, 3. So it's better you do it the way you've done it earlier. It's better and it's okay. Because do this, you're having 2, so you've removed 1, 4. All right, but let me show you how you can do it. Thank you for this. Chibike, thank you for this answer you gave me now because I've been thinking of how to do it. So look at what you can do. You can do 4 square plus 4 times 4 raised to the power 0. You see it? So look at this. 4 square is 16 plus 4 times 4 raised to the power 0 is 1. So 4 times, in board mass, you consider board mass when solving this too. So 4 times 4 is 1, and 4 times 4 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 20. You see, this is another way you can still do it. If you keep checking and checking, you see many ways of doing it. All right, so this is another amazing challenge. I will be coming like so. This one is very interesting because this one you reason it out. It's really interesting. All right, let me try another numbers. Let's see. We have 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Is equal to, all right. So we have 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. Let me start from bigger numbers. So we have 3 plus 3 times 3 is 12. Okay. Now tell me what you will do here to give me 3. So what operation will you do here to give me 3? So let's see who get this one correct. What operation should we apply here to give us 3? All right. You can do that. It's very easy. Yes, Chibike, good. Chibike says 3 minus, okay, 3 minus 3 plus 3. And that is correct. So Chibike is correct. I need more answers. You can actually do more. Because me, I didn't see this. I saw something else. I saw something else. Chibike have given me 1. So do something else. You tell me what you're seeing. Look at this. Don't give me Chibike's answer. I can still do that. Give me Chibike's answer. I don't mind. But tell me how. Look at that number. What operation will you do to give us 3? I can see more. I think I can see 2. I can see 2 more. Look at it critically. You now tell me what you can see. All right. This math challenge, this particular challenge is so interesting. If we can be doing this, you will love it. It's so interesting to make you reason out of the box. It will make you reason faster. All right. Now, let me show you what I'm seeing. Okay. We have 3, 3, 3, and it's equal to 3. All right. Now, if I put this in brackets and multiply and divide, 3 times 3 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. See, this one is correct. You see, this one is correct. 3 times 3 divided by 3 is correct. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Okay? So that is the second one there. Let me look. So please, I'm waiting for your own. Look and see. Okay, Chibike said 3 squared plus 3 plus 3 squared plus 3 plus 3 raised to power 0. Okay, let's see. 3 squared plus 3 raised to power 0. Chibike, this is more than 3. This 3 square alone is 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3 is 13. So this one is not correct. This is equal to 13 and not 3. So this one is wrong. So this one is correct, wrong. I'm happy you're trying, Chibike. Please, others try. Samuel, where are you? Are you still there? Samuel, I'm waiting for your answer. Mostly sports. You don't like this. Mastery SAT. Oh, geez, I didn't see you. Mastery SAT. Wow, thank you for participating. Yes, you are absolutely correct in the first one. Okay, 4 times 4 is 16 plus 4 is 21. SAT mastery. Thank you for solving this. You are very correct. Thank you. Okay. So, now look at the next one. I've seen another one. So you have 3, 3, 3 is equal to 3. Okay, so we raise them all to power 0 and add. Any number raised to power 0 is 1 plus 1 plus 1. All right, and this is equal to 3. Have you seen it? Look at this one. 3 plus 3 minus 3. Chibike, yes, you're right. 3 plus 3 minus 3 is correct. Look at this one. 3 raised to power 0 plus 3 raised to power 0 plus 3 raised to power 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So that is it. All right. So let's go to something else. We've done this too. Like I said, if we do two, this is question number 19. So let's go to question number 20. What is the next number in the sequence? Okay. What is the next number in the sequence? We have 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. So what is the next number in this sequence? Tell me the next number in the sequence, please. So what is the next number in the sequence? What is the next number in this sequence? Tell me the next number in the sequence. What is the next number in this sequence? Okay, Chibike said 8. Chibike, 8. More answers. More answers. More answers, please. More answers. Please, if you're enjoying the live section, feel free to give us a thumbs up, a like the live section. All right. Like the live section. More answers, please. So let me solve this. This one is easy. This is from there is a type of sequence. We have 4 types of sequence. We have the arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence. We have the Fibonacci sequence, and we have Fibonacci sequence and geometry, arithmetic, Fibonacci. I don't know the last one. I forgot it. Okay, so let's solve this. Now to solve this, if I remember the last type, we have 4 types of sequence. If I remember the last one, I'll let you know. Now this is from one of them, okay? All you do is just add the numbers. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 2 is arithmetic sequence or not? No, this is not arithmetic sequence. This is not from arithmetic sequence. The first one we saw is from arithmetic sequence. So the next one is 3 plus 5 is 8. Okay, we have 8. The next one is 8 plus 5 is 13. You keep adding and it keeps going. That is how easy it is. So if you look at it, see 1 plus 1. So the answer is correct. Chibike, you're correct. So cheers to Chibike. All right. So that is it. Then the question number 21. So question number 21, let's solve question number 21, okay? So find R given R square minus 3R equal to 0. Find R in this question. Find R given R square minus 3R equals to 0. R is equal to what? Find R. Please, I'm waiting for you to solve this so that I can put down the next question. The next question is waiting for you. It's waiting for us already. So Samuel says Samuel, 3. Okay. More answers, please. More answers. So let me solve it. To solve it is easy. Okay. Now to solve it is easy. Now we have r squared minus 3r equal to 0. Now, whenever you're given any mathematical expression and with variable in it, like this r here is a variable and it have power of 2, it simply tells you that this is a quadratic equation. Okay? Quadratic equation. Now, to solve it, we look at here, we have r. We look at here, we have r. We factor r out. Bring out r. R squared divided by r will give us r minus 3r divided by r will give us 3. All right, see it. R squared is r times r all over r. So 1 will cancel and have 1r. 3r all over r. R will cancel, 3 is remaining, okay? Is equal to 0. This one is by the side. So this is what we are solving. Now, we can say that r is equal to 0 or r minus 3 is equal to 0. So this one is the solution here already. Then r minus 3 will collect like terms. You have r is equal to, this will cross over to become, when negative crosses the equality sign, becomes positive, and that is plus 3. So our answer is r equals to 0 or 3. So that is the correct solution. Okay, so Samuel, you tried, but we need to have 2 solutions. Okay, so this is the best way to solve it. All right, so let's try question number. This is question number 21. All right, so let's solve question number 22. Find what number, let me give you this, I love this. What number is next in the sequence? In the sequence, okay? This sequence can take any form. It mustn't be adding or subtracting and all that. It could be anything. All right, so let's solve this. What number? Are you asking how is O the answer? How is 0 the answer? Please, I don't understand your question, Samuel. Can you please explain better, okay? What number is next in the sequence? We have 1, we have 4, we have 9, we have 16. So what is the next number in this sequence? What is the next number in this sequence? What is the next number in the sequence? Please solve. Let's see. We have 1, 4, 9, 16. That is question number 22. 22. Please solve this. What is the next number in the sequence? 1, 4, 9, 16. It's easy. If you just look at it critically, you see the answer. If you look at it critically, look at it well, you see the answer. So the question solution will not even take space. So let me just put question number 23 here already. And let me ask question number 23 so that we can start solving. All right. This one is very easy. If I tell you the answer now, you'll be amazed. It's so easy. It doesn't even need stress. So question number 2, I'm going to do that our amazing puzzle. It's a puzzle anyway. Equals to. It's a puzzle. You can do it for any number. You can even add big number, see equate it to 0 and still find a way around it. All right. So answers, no answers. So I'm solving this. Now, what number is next in the sequence? 1, 4, 9, 6. Okay, we consider 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you can ask a question. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. We have 5, we have 6. Okay. Now, this is first thing. That is how you do it. 1 square is equal to 1. 2 square is equals to 4. 3 square is equals to 9. 4 square is equal to 6. So the next number is 5 square, and this is 25. Then the next number is 6 square, and that is 36. So it's just square. Look at it. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. We are just squaring numbers. That is it. That is how easy it is. So that's the solution to this. All right. So this is question number 25. So I'm going to do the first two, and you're going to do this. Okay. Let's say here is 20. We have 5 times 5 is 25. 25 minus 5 is 20. Okay. So here we can do 25 here. Okay. 5 square, that's 5 times 5. Okay, let me write 5 square. Plus 5 minus 5 is 25. Now tell me how we get how do we get 45? So solve this. Tell me how we are going to do to get 45. So Annie Wana Junior, can I see the question you want us to solve? You can put down the question, okay? Let it be between the reach of secondary school. Like someone asked earlier, say I teach secondary school maths. So don't bring something off balance. So bring it, let's see. So first of all, tell me what operation are we going to do to 5 to give us 45. All right. So solve that, let's see. Okay. Solve that, let's see. What operations do we need to put on 5 to give us 45? So please, this class is to end in, this is 1 hour 30 minutes class, and this is 1 hour 17 minutes. All right. So we have less than 13 minutes, so the class will end. Less than 30 minutes so that the class will end. All right, please, if you're enjoying the live section, give us a thumbs up. All right, even if you're not really enjoying it as per that, you can still give us a thumbs up to encourage us, all right, that we are trying. Okay, so this is Math Challenge with Dr. Vivian. If you're joining us, tell us what will apply to 5 to give us 45. It could be adding, it could be subtracting, it could be squaring, it could be square root, anything you think you can do to give us 5. Please do that. And like I said, please thank you to those who have given us thumbs up, who like this live section. Just give us thumbs up to say thank you for today, or to appreciate us, to encourage us. Yes, we are starting. I'm seeing the effect of your presence. So we appreciate it if you can give us a like, thumbs up. We appreciate it. Share the live section for us. We appreciate it. You can share to Facebook mass groups, any WhatsApp group, or any group you feel like. I don't mind. It's okay. All right. So let me quickly solve this. Now we have 5. And I say, what operation do we put here to give us 5? Now I'm giving hints. And that is why I did this 5 square. Okay. If we do 5 square and we do 5 square here, we add. No, you can't just do 5 square. 5 square is 25. 5 square plus 5 square. When you did that well. 5 square plus 5 square minus 5. Okay, 5 square plus 5 square minus 5. 5 square plus 5. 5 square is 20 plus 25 is 25 plus 25 is 50. 50 minus 5 is 45. So that is the answer to the question. Okay, so that is the answer to the question. Now, I don't know. Let me see what I can still figure out another question. Okay, we can still do something like this. Okay, 5 plus 5. No, this will not work. So there's no need to not work. Okay, 5 plus 5, whole square minus 5 square. So this is just one solution to it. Okay, so let's try this. Let's see. I know you guys can solve this. We have 8 plus 9. Sorry. We have 8, 9. Okay, let's say 7, 8, 9 equal to 1. What operation can we put here to give us 1? It's very easy. This is one of the easiest. Yes, Owen, thank you for joining us. You're welcome. Okay. Junior, please, I'm still waiting for your question. Can you drop the question? Let's see. All right, drop the question so I can write it so anybody can solve. Owen, you're welcome. I appreciate your presence. So we have less than 10 minutes to go, please. If you're dropping your answer, Junior, drop. If you're solving this one, solve. This is question number 24. What operation should you do here? Prove that 0.999999 is 1. Am I supposed to prove it or someone else to prove it? You say you wanted to bring a question, a challenge, and you're bringing proof. Proof is not a challenge. Wait, oh, this is not even Junior. Luis Carlos. Please, we need questions that people can solve, not a proof, please. If you want me to prove this for you, how do you drop message? I can prove this. I have proof of this, but you're welcome, Owen. Owen, you're welcome, please. Please, we need math questions and not proofs. All right? Please bring math questions. Let's solve. Okay? Now, to solve this is easy. If you raise all this to power 0 and multiply, you get 1. Okay? 1 raised to power 7 raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 is 1 times 8 raised to power 0 is 1 times 9 raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. So this is the solution. Is that easy? That's very easy. Okay? So let me solve something else. Let's go to board mass 25. Okay? Let's go to board mass. Solve 400 divided by 1 over 10 times 1 over 40. Solve this. Please solve. This is equal to what? Solve this. 400 divided by 10 multiplied by 1 over 10. Drop your answer. Samuel, okay? It's not just 7, 8, 9 power. It's 7 raised to power 0 plus 8 raised to power 0 plus 9 raised to power 0. You multiply, not plus, multiply by, if you multiply it through. Okay, okay. Yes, you're correct. Yes, 7 raised to power 0 plus 8 raised to power 0 minus, yes. Please, you're absolutely correct. You're saying 7 raised to power 0 plus 8 raised to power 0 minus 9 raised to power 0. Please, you're correct. It's equal to 1. Very correct. Samuel, cheers to you. You did a great job there. Cheers to you. Some more answers, please. So solve this. This is what you are solving here now. Question number 25. This is what we are solving here now. This one. Please solve. Let's see. So we have less than 7 minutes to stop. Okay, Samuel, you said 1. Samuel, 1. Good. So more answers. More answers, more answers. More answers, more answers. The company declares a dividend of K point one pay shares, managed shares in the company. How much will she get? I'll see your question. So let me solve this question, okay? We have 400 divided by 1 over 10 times 1 over 40, okay? So let's solve this. We write 400 I've said when you're dividing a number by a fraction, you change to multiplication. Even if it's a whole number, you can change and still flip, okay? You change and flip. 10 will go up, 1 will come down. So we have 10 over 1. You write multiply by 1 over 4, 40, okay? 10 times 400 times 10 is 4,000 times 400 times 10 is 4,000 times 1 over 40. Okay, so 1 will cancel here, 4 will cancel. And please, this is equals to 100. All right, see the solution. The answer is 100 and not 10, please, and not 1. This is division here. This is multiplication. So you get rid of this division by flipping, and you get 10 times 400 times 10 times 1 over 4. 400 times 10 is 4,000 times 1 over 4. You just don't, this is division, and not, if this was multiplication, okay? If here was multiplication, let's say we have 400 times 1 over 10 times 1 over 40, okay? This will cancel 0, 0 will cancel 0, and 4 will cancel 4, okay? To give us, if it was 400 times 1 over 10 times 1 over 40, 0 will cancel, 4 will cancel, 10 will cancel, I have 1. In this case is where you get 1, because they are all multiplying through, but here division. So whenever you're dividing, you change to multiplication and flip. So the correct answer is 100. Please take note of that. The answer is 100 and not 1. Okay. Now, someone asked me to prove. Let me just prove it because I have seen the proof. And the proof is not, it's just manipulation. It's just manipulation, but I can still prove it to you. Let me prove it to you. Yes, you asked to prove that 0.9999 is equal to 1. Okay? So you asked me to prove this. Now, the first solution says let x be, let this our 0.9999 be x. Okay? Let our 0.9999 be x. So if 0.9999 is x, okay? So from here, we say we multiply both sides by 10. 10 times x will give us 10x. 0.999 times 10. If you multiply by 10, this will come one place like this. So we have 9.999. Okay? Then we subtract x from both sides. Okay? So this is, now here is 9.999. 9 so if you want to put this 9 off, if you do 9.9999 minus 9, all right, 9 will minus here, we have 0.999. So you can just say 0.999 plus 9. So this will now be 10x equal to 9 plus 0.999. Okay, we want to separate this 9, the whole number, from the decimal. I've seen your question. I've read your question. A company declares a dividend of K points, K 1.50 per share. Now, Masala has 60 shares in a company. How much will she get? I saw the question. But the question, I will write it down and see whether somebody can solve it. If nobody solves it, I'm going to solve it for you, but not now. Because this is 1:30 already. Not because of time, but because I have to solve it. I don't want to solve it and make mistakes, okay? So 10x equals to 9 plus 0. You just separated 9 from 0. So. You can say minus x here, minus g's. So this is equal to, remember our 0.999 is x from here. You say let x be 0.999. So this is equals to, we have 10x is equals to 9 plus x. This is manipulation. They're just manipulating it. These things are not real mathematics. So it's do minus x here, do minus x here. X minus x will give us 9x is equals to, this will cancel this and we have 9 divided by x. divided by 9, divided by 9. 9 divided by 9, we have x. 9 divided by 9 will give us 1. So that is it. It's just easy, but it's manipulation. That thing is, it's just, they are just using it to catch attention. It's not what it is, okay? So Junior says a company, I don't know that currency. I think cash. I don't know the currency you're using. A company declares dividend of K 1.5 per share. Per share. Masala has 60 shares in our company. How much will she get? So that is Junior's question. So please, this is the question. I love when I solve questions. I solve something I can easily tell you that, yes, this is correct. All right. So I can't solve this question for you now. I have to solve it later. All right. So that I don't make mistakes. So if anybody can solve him, help it with it, good. So this is 132. And the class is almost up for today. So please, this question, Junior, I will be live tomorrow again by 3 p.m. Come tomorrow, I'll solve this question for you. All right? Join me by 3 p.m. tomorrow. I'll solve this question for you. Okay? So because the time for the class is over. And I thought it's not because of that, because I need to solve it. I don't like giving off questions. All right? So please feel free to join us tomorrow by 3 p.m. West African time, Nigerian time. So thank you so much for today. Thank you to all the participants of today. Thank you, Mostly Sports. Thank you, Samuel. Thank you, Owen. Thank you, Junior. Thank you, Chibike. Thank you, okay, of course, Samuel. Thank you, Sat Mastery. Everybody that answered today, I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you so much for your support. Skinny, thank you. Thank you so much for your support. So see you tomorrow by 3 p.m. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Bye.